solve the integral of square root of e to the square root of x dx. We can rewrite this as e to the square root x over 2 dx. And we'll start with the first substitution of letting u being equal to square root of x, or x to the 1/2. So we'll differentiate both sides. Du equals 1/2 x to the negative 1/2 dx. Du equals 1 over 2 root x dx. We want to rewrite this so we can replace this dx. So 2 root x du equal to dx. However, now we still have an x on this side. We want to get rid of all the x's, so we can replace it using this substitution. 2 u du equals to dx. We'll plug this in. E to the u over 2 u du. We'll pull the constant out. We're left with e u over 2 times u du. Now we need to do another substitution. Let y be equal to u over 2, or 1/2 u. Differentiate both sides. dy equals 1/2 du, and then 2 dy equals du. So now we can replace this here directly with y, this directly with that. However, now we have a u, and we substituted a u over 2. So if we rewrite this as u over 2 to u over 2 du, that doesn't change anything. These are equal. So now we can replace it directly with y. We have 2 e to the y, 2 y, and then 2 dy. So let me highlight some things. This 2 is that 2. This 2 is from there. This is what we just replaced with our substitution up here. So let's rewrite this so we can pull out the constants. Now we're left with an 8. We take these out. 8 times e to the y times y dy. Let's do integration by parts, which is f g prime equals f g minus f prime g. So in this case, let's call f to be y, or g prime to be the other one, ey. That would make f prime equal to 1, and g to be equal to ey. So now we can rewrite this. 8, keep the 8 there, times y e to the y minus integral of 1 times e to the y dy. This is an easy integral to solve. We've already done it right here. 8 times y e to the y minus e to the y. Now we need to go back because the original problem is using x's, and we currently have a y. So y was equal to u over 2. We have 8 times u over 2, e to the u over 2 minus e to the u over 2. And u was equal to square root x. We'll plug that all in. 8 times square root of x over 2, e to the square root x over 2 minus e square root x over 2. I'll distribute the 8 through first and then pull things back out. So we have 4 root x e to the root x over 2 minus 8 e to the root x over 2. Then I'll pull out a 4 from each of these and pull out that. So I'm left with 4 e to the root x over 2 times root x minus 2, and then don't forget plus c.